Hey there with Agri Drones. With me is Brandon with Perlee Ag Service. They're up in Iowa. Where at in Iowa?
Fairfield, Iowa, southeast Iowa.
Perlee Ag Service offers custom application in the Fairfield area. How far out do you guys run?
Probably 200-mile radius.
And how many drones did you run this season?
6 full-time.
Great. And they're down at our location, our headquarters here in Boonville, Missouri. They brought how many drones today?
8 today.
8 drones today. They covered a lot of acres this year, running T40s, T50s. There were a couple in there, and about 6 full-time, you said. How many acres did you cover?
Around 20,000 acres.
20,000 acres. The reason they're down here, like you mentioned, is because they had, what, 3 drones that you're having problems with, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Tell me about what kind of problems you're having with your T40s.
Just signal issues, not following terrain properly. A couple of them hit tree branches and went down, and we just...
A lot of random issues.
A lot of random issues.
Well, the reason they're down here is because in season they were working with a service provider, a dealer, who was not able to get their drones back up in the air. So they were kind of being pushed around and whatnot, and they had 3 drones they just couldn't use all season because they had these issues. And they came in this morning.
Yep.
And what kind of help did you get service-wise?
Fantastic help. I mean, they got right on it and never stopped all day, and getting us out of here in one day instead of waiting around for another day, I guess.
There you go. It's about 4 o'clock right now. We're hoping to get them out. We've ran through all their drones. We think we've got all of their problems fixed in one day, and we're going to send them back up to Iowa to hopefully finish out the cover crop season.
Yep, we got plenty of work to get done, so we'll give them a good test this week and see what happens.
Would you recommend Agri Drones service and support and technicians to anybody else?
Absolutely. Hands down, the best service we've had yet.
Great. Well, I appreciate it.
Yep, thank you.
Well, we're going to get back to see if we can solve the rest of your problems and load the last drone up and send you back up north.
Awesome. Thanks.
All right. Thanks, Brandon.